assignment, so hopefully it will all go well. Please contact me if you have any questions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through this PowerPoint, and you are going to complete the handout that I gave you in class as you go through this PowerPoint. So I'm going to go ahead and play it for you. So I'm calling this Wading Through the Web, and this is all about conducting research on the internet, which you've had some experience with, but now I want you to get into it more academically. So this presentation will teach you about different types of search engines, how to search on the internet, and how to cite your sources. So there are a couple of reasons why people choose the internet, books, or text, or both when they are researching. So some things about the internet is that anyone can publish on a web page, and no one checks to see if the information is true or false. Those are two big negatives to researching on the internet. That's why I always tell you, you never want to look at answers.com or Wiki Answers. We don't know who's publishing that. A good thing about the internet is that there are millions of places to look for the information. Using the internet is going to be much faster than going to the library and looking through a bunch of books. You can narrow down what you're looking for more easily. And the internet uses search engines, which are very helpful in trying to organize your information and your thoughts. So for books and text, a book has to be published by a publishing company who employ editors to check and verify the information. So it's going to be correct information in a book, whereas on the internet you might not be so sure. However, looking for a book can be more time-consuming because you have to visit a library, and the library uses the Dewey Decimal System, which does take some getting used to. However, both provide sources of information, and both are viewed by millions of people each day. So one thing that I want you to do on your handout is I want you to think of other ways that internet and books or other kinds of text are different, and how are they the same. So you can go ahead and pause this video and fill that out. And then when you're ready, you can start it up again. So, why might using the internet be better than using traditional text? Topics that are more contemporary, like anything to do with current events, the internet will have more up-to-date information. Or if topics are controversial, the internet can give you a lot of different opinions on one topic, which can help you research a topic from different perspectives. This is very helpful for persuasive essays. So the first thing we want to do is look at the different types of search engines. A search engine is a program that allows you to search the internet for information. There are many search engines on the World Wide Web. You might have heard of search engines like Google, Yahoo, or MSN. These are the most popular search engines. There are lots of other search engines on the internet that you may have never heard of. Let's look at the different types of search engines available on the internet. So the first thing is we need to know the difference between regular search engines and meta search engines. A regular search engine, like Google or Yahoo, searches the internet based on a given search term. For example, typing Vasco da Gama into Google will give you 2,490,000 hits or sites for information. If you type this same term into Yahoo, you're going to come up with almost 1 million hits. So what I want you to do right now is I want you to try it. Go to Google and type in Vasco da Gama. Look at the sites that come up. I want you to click on the first 2 or 3 sites. Do they look like they have good information? So then do the same thing in Yahoo, and I want you to notice the differences. And then you can pause this video and complete number 2 on your worksheet. So why do you think that Google and Yahoo display different sites for the same search word? This is because of the way engine searches. Google and Yahoo use different search methods. They're called algorithms. While many of the sites they show you are the same, some are different. A meta search can streamline your search. A meta search has the ability to search several search engines. So let's try using a meta search engine to search information on Vasco da Gama. Pause this and I want you to go to cactisearch.com. This is a meta search engine that will search Google, Yahoo, MSN, and Ask.com all at once. So go ahead and try it. You'll notice that the results are sorted by search engine. You can look at all 4 search engines combined, or you can narrow your search to just Google or just Yahoo. And then I want you to think about it. How might a meta search engine like CactiSearch be more helpful than a regular search engine? After you thought about it, please go ahead and answer that question on your worksheet.